step into the 2020 Subaru Impreza. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.